Hey there, I was sent over this kitchen scale to test and try out. This is gonna be great for me in the kitchen. It's rechargeable, so I don't have to worry about having batteries for it. It has a port up at the top and it will light up bright white when it's charging, and then the light will turn off when it's charged. The top of the scale is tempered glass, so it's easy for me to wipe off any spills or spots. But the other thing it has that I really like is this silicone mat. The silicone mat sits on the top, giving a nice surface to keep anything from sliding around. To use the scale, to turn it on, you just hold the power button down. The scale measures in multiple weights, including grams, milliliters, ounces, pounds, and pounds and ounces. You can also do fluid ounces, which is handy. To measure something such as coffee, you just put your measuring utensil on the scale. We can hit the tare button to bring it back to 0. And then put our coffee or other item in there, getting a precise weight in whichever unit of measure we're trying to find. This scale also has a timer feature on it, which I really like because it has a manual as well as an automatic option. To set the timer, you would hold the play and unit button at the same time. Once this is flashing, you can adjust it up or down as needed. When you hit the button again, it will move over to the minutes. Again, you adjust it up and down, and when in countdown mode, once it hits 0, it's going to chime. If you don't want to have sound or chirping on the scale, you can long press the mode button, and it will disappear here. This also has an automatic feature where it will count up. So if you're having something like a cup of tea, you would put this into automatic mode, put on your drinking vessel. It will tear itself out on its own, and once it's on that mode, you can add your liquid, and it will start counting up. I really like that this scale not only has all the units of measure I could need while I'm cooking or baking or making a cup of coffee, but it also has multiple timer features that are going to come in super handy when I'm doing things like steeping a hot cup of tea to make sure I get the perfect steep time. If you're looking for a new scale, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.